Hello. Hi. Good morning, students. So, in our last class, we discussed the problems on theory part also of interest, how to find interest based on the principal amount. So, that is formula is I is equal to PRT divided by 100, and we have to find and also amount, that is principal plus interest. So you have to add principal and interest, you will get the amount after the principal amount. So this is the formula. In case if you have to find P means just interchange the formula. I into 100 divided by RT will come. If you want to find R, I into 100, so PT will come down. If you want to find time, I into 100, PR will come down. So you can interchange the formula. You can find principal, that is principal amount, and this is rate of interest, and this is time taken per year, per month, as I told in our last class also. So in today's class also going some solving problems on interest. So in that one, exercise 9E, I completed two problems in the first part of the problem. Next I will move in the first problem only third one. What they are given, rupees 2600 in 2 years, 3 months, 2 years 3 months. Rate of interest is 1% per month. Per month they are given. Per month means you can convert this time. This is P 2600. This is here we have to calculate, find interest and amount. Find interest and amount. P they are given, time is per month. We have to convert that year into months. 2 years means 24 months. 24 plus 3, 27 months. So I converted into months. That is rate of interest is 1%. First we have to find interest. PRT divided by 100 formula. P is 2600 into 27 into 1 divided by 100. 20 get cancelled. If you multiply 26 into 27, you will get 702. 26 and 27 only remaining. So if you multiply these two, you will get the interest 702. So interest we find out. Next we have to find amount. Amount is principal plus interest. Principal is 2600 plus amount is 702. So that is, if you add these two, you will get 3302 is the answer. So like this, if per month means you have to convert this year into months, time, and substitute in the formula. First you find the interest and next you find the amount. In that one only fourth one is that. Fourth one, rupees 4000 in 1 by 3. 1 by 3 years at 2 paise per rupee per month. Per rupee per month. Here they are given P is equal to 4000. So time. So here months is there. We should convert into 1 by 3 means oddly 1 year means 12 months. 1 by 3 means 3 months. So 12 plus 3, 15. Sorry. Uh, 4. So 1 by 3 means you'll get 16 month. Next, 2 paise per rupee means rate of interest is 2%. 1 rupee 2 paise means that is 2% only. Next, you have to find. Next, you have to find interest. PRT divided by 100. P value is 4000 into R value is 2. 16 month divided by 100. 2020 get cancelled. 42 is 80 into 16. You will get 1280. 1280 is the interest. So finally you have to find amount means principal plus interest. Principal is 4000 plus interest is 1280. If you add these two, you will get 5280 is the amount you are getting. So if they are given in months means year should be converted into months. So like this you have to find interest and amount of the given principal or the rate of interest. Next problem. The interest on a certain sum of money is they are given interest 1480. Time also given 2 years. Rate of interest also they are given R is equal to 10%. You have to find sum of money. Sum of money means what? P we want to find. Sum of money means principal amount. So how much sum they are getting? So we know that formula for finding P. I told in the last beginning of the class. So if you want to find interest, formula is PRT divided by 100. If you interchange, if you want P means P is equal to cross multiply I into 100 divided by RT will come down. We want to find RT, P value here. High value we know how much? 1480. S 100 you can write as it is divided by R value is time, because we want to find in percentage they are given in year, there is no need to change it. 10 into 2, 10 ones are 10 tens are 2 ones are 2 fives are. So if you are getting like this means what is the sum of the money you are getting means multiply 5 zeros are 0, 5 8s are 44, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24, 2 5 1s are 5. 7400 is the sum. So if the sum is 7400 means for 2 years if they pay rate of interest is 10% means interest is how much? 1480. So for 1480 is interest, 2 years rate of interest 10%. What is the sum means? 7400. Like this you have solved the problems. And next I will take one more problem. Third problem 1. Third problem I am considering. At what rate per percent per annum? At what rate? At what rate per percent per annum will rupees 630 produce produce an interest of rupees 126 in 4 years. In 4 years. Here they are given directly what we have to find out here. So we have to find out here rate of interest, or we have to find out here. They are given principal amount, that is 630, and produced in interest they are given 126 is interest. Time also they are given 4 years. So this we have to find out per annum. Per annum means year. So R value, you can interchange the formula. Look at here. R you can take means just you multiply I into 100 divided by, means PT will come down. I value is 126 into 100 divided by P value is how much? 630. Time is 2. 10 get cancelled. 63 ones are 2s are 2 will get cancelled. What is the rate of percentage here? So time is 4 years, no? Sorry, time is 4 years. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, again 2 ones are, 2 fives are. So remaining is 5%. So rate of percentage is 5%. So like this, you can interchange any one kind of formula and you can find the answer. So next I will move next problem to find. Still now I showed how to find interest and amount, and how to find rate of interest. Now we will move to one problem. Next problem, fourth one. In how many years will rupees 950 produce rupees 399 as simple interest at 7%. So here we want to find in years. So time, so you know that if you interchange time means R will comes down, that is I into 100 P into R. So here they are given principal is 950, interest is 399, and interest they are given what? 7%. Time we have to find out. So I value is 399 into 100 divided by P value is 950, R value is 7%. So you can cancel 10 and 10. So if you can go on cancelling by 5 means 5 19s are, 5 2s are, 5 19s are, 5 2s are. So sorry. Here you can cancel 19 ones are 19. How many times it cancel? 20 ones are 21 times. 19 ones are 19, 21 times are 399. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So 7 threes are. What is remaining here? 3 into 2. That is 6 years. So here 10 get cancelled. 5 19s are, 5 2s are, 19 ones are, 19 21s are, 399. 7 ones are, 7 threes are. then 3 and 2 is remaining. If you multiply 3 into 2, so how many years they are given time to get that interest rate of this principal amount means that is 6 years. Next problem, what sum of money borrowed means what sum means you have to find P. So here time we have to calculate 24th May to and then 17th of October. So means May, if 24 May if you calculate means 7 days. 7 days. Next after May, June, July, August, September, October. June means 30 days. July means 31 days. August means 31. September means 30 days. October means up to 17. If you add all the days, you will get 144 days out of 365 days. So 146 by 365 means you can cancel by 73. It goes by 2. It will goes by 5. 2 by 5 years because we want in years. Year. So that's why 2 by 5 years. So you can divide it by 75, 73 twos are 146, 73 threes are 5. So they are given amount also 10,210.2. Rate of percentage they are given 5%. Time 2 by 5. Now you know that what is the amount formula. P plus I. P plus P or T divided by 100. You can take P outside. Means 1 plus RT divided by 100. RT divided by 100. Substitute the values. Amount value is 10,210.2. P value we want to find out, keep as it is. R value is 5. T value is 2 by 5 divided by 100. Here 5 get cancelled. So that is 10,210.20 P. 100 into 1, 100 plus 2, 102 divided by 100. P multiply 100 will multiply to numerator, 102 will come to denominator. After multiplication, if you multiply with 100, this point will shifted here. That is 102. 102 divided means you will get 10,010 is the principal amount. Principal amount for this 146 days. So like this, we are going to solve problems. So many problems are there in your